Everyone loves a neat and tidy house, but hates to clean, right? Deep cleaning will be a good choice for those who hate cleaning their house. Deep cleaning tips will help you clean the entire house so quickly. Even the cleanest homes sometimes benefit from proper deep cleaning. It's beneficial to divide the deep cleaning procedure into smaller, more doable activities to prevent feeling burdened. Today, we will tell you the most crucial tips for deep cleaning. So, let's first look at how to clean your entire house deeply. Declutter before deep cleaning. There is no doubt, every room will have some unwanted or misplaced things. So, the first tip is to remove any visible clutter that does not fit into that room. Go from room to room and clear the clutter before you begin the cleaning. Consider whether you should put each item away, dump it, or donate it as you pick it up, including magazines, well-read paperbacks, and tattered sneakers. Just lock the unwanted stuff in some cabins and you are good to go with cleaning. Clutter removal improves deep cleaning, and seeing clean surfaces can boost your willingness to continue. Start high and then go low. It will be better if you move in proper order while cleaning. It will help if you always start from large and hard-to-reach surfaces. So, this is the order you have to follow. Ceiling, ceiling trim, ceiling light fixtures, walls, the rest of the trim, and baseboards. A clean microfiber mop or a duster with a telescoping handle are the perfect tools for these surfaces. Use warm water with a drop of dish soap on surfaces closer to the floor because they are likely to collect dirt and dust. Add a few drops of white vinegar to prevent mold and mildew in bathrooms. Use a microfiber cloth for areas where using a mop would be uncomfortable or inconvenient. Well, next time when you are cleaning, always start with your ceiling. Then move to walls, floors, bathrooms, and sinks. Deep clean windows. Windows, its rod, and trim are very much likely to get dirty. And it is a place everyone has access to, from toddlers to old ones. So, keeping it dust-free is very important, or it can cause health issues. The payoff from cleaning windows is huge despite how easy it is. Vacuum the tracks and sills first, next spray glass cleaner on the window from top to bottom. After giving the cleaner a moment to work, wipe it off. It will be simpler to see and remove streaks if you wipe one away on interior windows and another on exterior ones. For glass windows, you can also use a damped microfiber cloth at first. Then use a dry cloth to clean the surface. Spruce up window treatments. Cleaning the curtains is really tiring, so next time while you clean, avoid the hassle of removing the blinds or drapes. Here's a pro tip for you guys. Use the brush attachment on your vacuum to just suck them. As you clean the rod and rings, fluff the curtains in the dryer for a few minutes rather than washing and ironing them. Then hang them back up immediately. Try this hack and let us know how much time you have saved. Remove dust from surfaces. If asked whether you should dust or wash first, the answer is to dust or vacuum. Well, some things must be taken care of before you start dusting. Remember to always turn off your ceiling fans, or else you can spend the whole day sneezing. Also, change the sheets and blankets before you vacuum. With all that done, you are ready to dust off. Dusting should be concentrated on handrails, picture frames, knickknacks, TV screens, furniture tops, and shelves undersides. You can use a furniture cleaner and polish it with a soft cloth. Put a clean cotton tube sock on your dominant hand and use it to dust surfaces quickly while using your other hand to push things out of the way. The lampshades can be rubbed using a lint roller. For hard-to-reach areas, like blinds and upper shelves, tie a microfiber cloth to the end of a mop or broom. Deep clean the floors. Cleaning the floors will be the mostly done task in every house. How can you do floor cleaning perfectly? Follow the next tips. Move the furniture aside, including beds and sofas, while sweeping or using a vacuum. When cleaning a hard floor, use a microfiber mop and the proper cleaner for the material. A professional-grade cleaner should be rented right away if you have carpet. Clean the whole house. We all want our house to be clean and tidy, but many of us are lazy to always clean. So, what can we do? The easiest hack for deep cleaning is to clean the entire house, not one room at a time. Instead of cleaning the kitchens, bathrooms, and then bedrooms, it is far more effective to choose one duty and complete it in every room in the house. For example, you can start with dusting the entire house, and later on, move to vacuum. By doing it that way, you won't feel stuck in a never-ending cleaning cycle where you keep starting the same work. Guys, enjoy cleaning your house. Gather all cleaning tools. Here is a life-saving tip for you while cleaning. It's messy to pick up cleaning essentials each time for different tasks. Everything you need for cleaning in one portable spot, whether a tray, bucket, or sack, is much simpler. Well, you won't waste time looking for tools while you clean and don't have to worry about gathering them before your next go-around. Focus on tubs, sinks, and toilets. Toilets, sinks, and tubs are the spots that are prone to bacteria and fungi. Proper and regular cleaning of these spots is important to maintain good health. Spray cleanser on the kitchen sink first, then on the sinks, tub, and toilets in the bathroom. Allow the cleaner to work on the filth and stains for a few minutes. Return to the kitchen after that and begin cleaning. Remember to always clean the toilets last. Cleaning the interior of your microwave oven and refrigerator is also crucial. Wash your cleaning tools. The best tip for a perfect deep cleaning is to clean the cleaning tools. Maintenance of cleaning tools is very important. Using a dirty mop or a vacuum with a full bag is much less effective, and you'll end up spending more time trying to clean. So friends, remember to wash your cleaning tools regularly. After all, wiping your floor with a dirty mop simply adds up the burden. Well, we hope you will follow these tips next cleaning time, but there are some rooms which need extra attention to clean up the mess. Now, let me add some more cleaning hacks exclusively for some rooms. How to deep clean your kitchen? In the hustle-bustle of morning, the one room that you'll be messing up the most is the kitchen. There is no space for any arguments about that. Are you worried about how to clean up that mess quickly? Then do these 4 things. First, start with polishing your cabinets, then clean in and around the appliances, clean the countertops, and finally, clean your pantry shelves. How to deep clean your bedroom? It is festival season, and you are awaiting the guests. Providing the guest with a neat and tidy bedroom will be the best way to impress and comfort. All you need to do is follow our tips. Bed skirts, duvet covers, shams, and pillows must be washed properly. Then focus on your mattress. You can sprinkle baking soda on it and vacuum it up after an hour or so. Finally, declutter your closet so that your guests would have some space to keep their things. How to deep clean your bathroom? To avoid wasting so much time cleaning nasty toilets and bathrooms, just ensure the following 3 tips. Always start with washing your shower curtains, then clean the shower doors, and at last, remove unwanted vanity and cabinets. You can use baking soda to remove intense dirt. Heat distilled white vinegar can be used to remove soap scum and water spots. Hey friends, that's all for today. We hope you have got some pro tips. If so, you may give us a thumbs up. Please follow our tips and let us know in the comments whether it really helped. For more interesting facts and tips, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Goodbye all!